Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Kelvin. Today we're checking out the September quad box. This is actually my first month subscribing quad box. Super exciting. I just opened it when I got it. Let's check it out. This week's pilot is Vortex, and we also get very cool t-shirt. Like it. I put it on, I tried it on. Very comfortable. Summed up to quad box. Next up we have propellers. This is the propeller from T Motors. It's T Motors. It's 5143, green looking. It's also Popo Pops, which is pretty popular right now. I put it on my quad. Looks really nice, really awesome. Give it a try on weekend. In case you don't know, this is my design. This is a fake GoPro model that weighs about 60-ish grams. You put it on my quad and then just like simulate the weight of the GoPro, and I go rip my quad and don't have the risk to crash and break my GoPro. Okay, very cool looking props. Ready to give it a try. Next up we have battery checker. This is not like a very fancy expensive battery checker. It's just normal, similar to like this one that I've been using. I haven't got the ISDT battery checker. I heard that they're very good. Check it out. I mean, for this kind of tools is somewhat useful, but I guess most of the people that have been flying FPV already got it. So not like a very exciting item. It's okay to use, just keep it around. And for the next tool we have a powder or a wire cutter, very useful. My old one actually just break down, so this one works. I'll keep it, I'll use it. I tried to cut some wires with it, works really well. And the most exciting part is the boost item. Boost item for this month is a Frsky X9D Plus all-in-one flight controller. Really cool. It's solid, good flight controller. Just open it up. Oops, I already opened the package because I was too excited about it. You do get the capacitor that comes with it. It's 470 mF capacitor. Very good. And then we also have the actual flight controller board. This flight controller actually goes good if you use individual ESC. The wire just connects straight on the flight controller. I think it's worth like 40 bucks. Very good. I will give it a try for my next build. And they also have the discount code for quad box for yourself. If you want to use it, contact me. I'm not thinking on using it, so the first one who just contact me, get the code. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.